What's jamming? It's your boy Dre. You hear me? And this is one of them. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to step on the notification. And if you're real, ring that bell, because real wild fake on every scale. You hear me?
Yeah. But Dre. Young Stretch.
Ready?
To follow. Maybe it's true. Okay, I pull up to the scene. Yeah. Watch these bitches do. Yeah. Maybe it's a follow. Maybe it's a true.
She see a nigga out here flexing. Got my name up on my necklace and my name up on the flyer, so my name ain't on the guest list. I'm with some wild niggas and we out here living reckless. Sipping on some soup in Cali like we in Texas. St. Louis better pack your vests. New York better tuck your necklace. Chicago niggas hectic. Don't ever disrespect it, or you can lose your life over this game just like a death wish. But I'ma keep my head to the sky, receive these blessings.
Alright, man. On today's video, I had to come pull up on my little bro, man, to get my brakes done. Them motherfuckers was squeaking like a bitch. I don't know if you hear me, but we're getting them done. We're getting them right. Shout out my little bro, man. If you haven't need something done in your car, whether it's AC, because it's getting hot out here right now. I mean, brakes, water pumps. He does it all, man. If you need it done, man, hit my boy George. You feel me? Or hit me, and I get y'all plugged in the right way for the best price. You feel me? So, we almost done, man, I promise. Only took a little bro about 6-7 minutes. It's like a NASCAR pit stop out here, man. I get stuff done in the quickness, man. Y'all enjoy this video, though.
He dejado de buscar la aceptación de los demás para aceptarme a mí mismo. No
¿Qué pasa, pendejo?
Me estoy volviendo selectivo de lugares, de
What you doing?
personas, costumbres e ideologías.
Water pump hose?
He decidido dejar ir dolores innecesarios.
Sheesh.
RT? It's RT, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This thing dirty, boy. I need to get this thing washed. Look at this. The window. Oof. Man, that's where I come, man, to get all my work done. It's my little bro shop out here in Hesperia. It's the only little dude I let work on my car, man. He the reason the Mustang been running for so long. But it's early, y'all. I'm up early. Sheesh. Gotta go to work. Oh, man. I'll just stay tuned for this day. We about to see if I can get these brake pads done, man. These hoes been squeaking. And I ain't trying to fuck up no rollers. So, let's get it done.
Steering wheel doesn't shake when you brake, right?
Nuh-uh.
Your rotors are good.
I ain't trying to get it to that point. Baseline is saying Carmilla.
Let me double check.
Y'all see it, man. Low fuel. Gotta go get me some gas, boy. What's up, Papa? Rolling. I gotta get the Mustang, bro, towed over here. I don't know what's wrong with that damn battery or something. Ain't this something minor though, for sure. That's Pops over there. That's little bro. That's my boy Bama Cutlass right here. About to get some AC or something in this junk. Cut dog V8, you feel me? It's my other Pop stuff right here. Pop's got a gang of old schools. Window tent spot over there. It's a little Audi. I think that's my Pop's over there too. That Lincoln. I think that's his car too. Pop's got a gang of stuff, man. I'm gonna see if the next door open. Show you the RV and shit. It's this one. Oh, it's locked. It's locked. This gang of dirt bikes and cars and shit up in there too. I'm about to say, I thought that was for the brakes. I was about to say they came fast as fuck. This was hot.
Yeah.
Oh, there they go. You know I ain't got no cash. There we go. Special delivery. That was quick. All right.
This one? Yeah, that's the right one. Perfect. All right, that's it.
All right. I got you, Pops. You know I got it. I ain't got to do me. Gotta go to the bank. Just charge me whatever. Charge me the fuck nigga price. Now, them motherfuckers is gone, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, daddy. Yeah, bro. My shit was squeaking like hell. These are new joints. Centric parts. Platinum. I don't know. Hey, what size are these? Hell if I know. I don't know shit. No, I need to borrow a loaner car, but you just said what?
You need to borrow a car?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know how to drive stick?
You taught me how to drive when I was 16, but I don't remember, bro. I don't remember. That shit was long ago. What was that, the CRX? What car was that?
No,
the Golf.
Yeah,
It was the Golf. Man, I remember I drove home and I started out like right there on Bear Valley. That bitch cut off on me in mid-traffic. Oh, man, that was the days, but now I don't think. What kind of stick is it? That Audi out there? What stick?
No, it's that Dodge truck.
Oh, man. A truck, man, that's like driving a goddamn AT with a stick. I don't know if I can do that.
No está. ¿Ya eran otras dos?
Jesus, 99. All right, if not, or I think I might got enough time I can go to the bank if you down.
All right.
Cause you kind of pretty quick. You like NASCAR pit stop. Like you seen how quick it is? As soon as he took the brakes off, the brake pads off, they was getting delivered right there at the same time. It's like so sufficient. As soon as he took them off, the delivery man came and delivered the brakes. It's just like a pit stop, NASCAR pit stop. Shout out to my hermano. Mi hermano. Hey man, shout out my little brother. Doing my brakes in like 10 minutes flat, you feel me? We back in action. Gracias, compa. Add it up, Dejo. Just fuck with. No, that's my little bro, man. He always get me right, and I'm about to go to work right now. So hey man, get this video to like 20 likes. I ain't even asked for much. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for this next video, which is that smash and pass. I hope y'all been staying tuned for that, because I'm gonna drop that smash and pass video real quick. You heard me? This how it's gonna happen.
I'm wildin' and styling my thousand on thousand on thousand on thousand. I'm wildin' and styling my thousand on thousand on thousand on thousand. I'm wildin' and styling my thousand on thousand on thousand on thousand.
Let's get this channel going so we can start doing stuff. Woo.